Now then.
Hello, how you doing? We're just having a quick look at our belly pan for the MT-10.
MT-10 2023, and this is the SP model we've just bought. And yeah, here it is. We've taken the standard belly pan off and put on our 3D print just to see what it looks like.
Yeah, so basically we're just looking to see if it fitted, because the standard bike, I think it's only the SP that has the belly pan, isn't it? As standard. This new SP, this Generation 2 version. So really we developed this for both bikes. How many people do you think will take this belly pan off and fit another one? I don't know.
Probably not that many.
Don't know if they would. So we've got these other schemes that we're going to do for different models and things. But yeah, basically we just wanted to see if it fitted all right, and it fits the same.
The SP paint scheme will probably, well, it'll work on both models because obviously all the engine and everything like that's the same. So it fits in exactly the same way between the two bikes, and the paint scheme should work on both of them. So.
Yeah, the paint scheme's quite like basic, really. Just a little bit of silver and a little bit of blue, not too much, nothing too in your face. But yeah, we're gonna try to do all the paint schemes for all the different bikes. So yeah, there should be something for anyone who's got an MT-10 SP basically, or a normal MT-10. And yeah, here it is. Let us know what you think.
We need to try it on a decatted bike. People keep asking us that. So if anybody local has got a decatted bike and wants to come over, then we'll test fit this on it and see what it looks like.
See if it works. Yeah, I'm sure it will. I'm sure it will. I mean, maybe it might be a little bit gappy or something at the back.
At the back, yeah, I suppose when you've got rid of the cat, there's going to be a gap there, isn't there?
But does this part that's sort of this panel, does that stay on, or does it all get removed?
I imagine all that disappears because you're basically just putting a pipe straight through, aren't you?
Yeah.
It'd be an aftermarket piece, I guess. So
yeah, so it'd be interesting to see that. It would be good to get someone over if anyone's interested in coming over.
And the headlight cowl underneath the headlights, that little wing, we're working on that as well. So
yeah,
keep your eyes peeled and we'll post about it soon.
Yeah, see you in a bit.
Nice one.